how we walk around the floor. Here's the tiles that we picked out. Got them from Lowe's. That's gonna be the base for our wood stove. We're going 6 by 6. That's coming out to 47 and 5/8 square pad. I would have just rather bought a pad, but we couldn't find one that was big enough. So the nice thing is we can customize the look to what we want, which this is perfect. The bad thing is that the mortar takes 72 hours to set. And this is a kind of a project of $150 all told, which is absolutely kind of ridiculous when you think about it. So we had to go out and we had to buy the cement board. We got a 1/2-inch cement board. And what we're gonna do is we have one more OSB board somewhere, and we're gonna cut the cement board to 47 and 5/8 inch square. We had to get 2 boards because we have to piece them together. So we're gonna have to take about 11 or 12 inches off the second board. And then we're gonna screw that into an OSB. And then we're gonna take that into the house because it has to be 36 degrees or warmer to dry your things. And we're heading into a 10-degree temperature. Old skill saw with a crappy blade because he lost his blade.
Let's see what it's doing to it.
Yeah, it's chewing it. Wow, more than chewing it.
I wonder if I should go get a
Yeah, I think so.
different blade.
Because that's not going to do us any good if it's all
All destroyed.
destroyed. So we're here in the kitchen. Tom scored it and is bringing in the other part, and then this is going to be our fire base. Let's start this. Okay, looks great, doesn't it? I have to let this set for 72 hours. So here it is, ready to be grouted. And yesterday I was gonna come in and grout it. And then I got the grout and I looked on the package and it said here, for at least 21 days after completing project. After completion, protect from freezing. And I'm like, oh, well, this is going out in the barn, and it's 20 degrees today, and we were gonna put this out, and it's gonna freeze, obviously, and if it freezes, the grout will crack. So we've decided that we're just gonna set this under the wood stove as is, and because it's on the cement board, it's protected from fire, and then when the weather warms, the grout will go in. The wood stove weighs 300 pounds. Well, we're back in the barn. We went to the lumber yard yesterday to get more supplies for the wall. And we're just gonna run the wall at the end of the floor there, and then the front will be kind of a little teeny mudroom, catch up your shoes and stuff area.